A man traveling on a bus from Crossroads to Waterhouse died in hospital after being shot by gangsters who were firing at each other along the route. As TVJ's Kirk Wright reports, the deceased isn't the only one who was shot.
The dead man, Kenneth Allen, 49, of Balmaji Avenue in the Waterhouse community, is one of 3 passengers in this number 82 bus who were shot during an exchange of gunfire between men from William Road and an area called Rome along Russell Road. The bus had just left Crossroads and was heading to Waterhouse when the driver drove straight into the Crossfire. Reports are that, at the time, men from William Road and a neighboring community called Rome were the ones shooting at each other. These 2 bullet holes, one through the glass and another a little below that, are evidence that bullets from the Crossfire entered the bus. The driver, realizing that some of his passengers were injured, immediately drove the bus to a police military checkpoint in the area. Our dashcam camera captured aspects of the rush to the Kingston Public Hospital in an effort to save the lives of the passenger who was considered to be the most serious of the 3. During the journey, the bus carrying the injured and the service car stumbled into a roadblock behind the Kingston Public Hospital. Upon arrival, hospital officials acted quickly to assist the injured man, but news emerged later that he succumbed to the injuries he received to the head. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.